So today we're going to install a noise filter on the Uniden Bearcat 980 single sideband mobile CB. And this is an install bay 10 amp noise filter, model IBN F10. And hopefully it'll reduce some of the engine noise that I get that plays back through the radio here in the Jeep. So we start by disconnecting the CB power leads to the battery. Then I marked the noise filter so that I don't confuse myself during this install. We are directly behind the glove compartment here. I will be tapping into the red CB power cord right here, and then I will tuck the filter between that bundle of wires and the HVAC hose. Just carefully snip the wires, pull them apart, and strip the ends. For my install, I put a larger ring on the ground wire so that it can fit an existing ground bolt that I've already got on the firewall. And here you can see that I just crimped together the ends of those wires, making sure that the blue wire from the filter went to the radio and that the red wire from the filter went to the Jeep's battery. Now I just have to attach the ground wire, and this installation is as good as done. Here you can see where I tucked the filter between the bundle of wires and the HVAC hose. I will dress up all these wires with some zip ties and keep the filter from rattling around. You can see where I attach the ground wire directly to the Jeep's firewall. And that's it. It's just that simple. Now, I was going to give you a before and after sound check, but as noisy as this Jeep is, you would probably never be able to tell the difference. I have been driving this Jeep for nearly 20 years now, and I can tell you beyond a shadow of a doubt that this noise filter makes a discernible difference in the amount of engine noise that I get through the radio. That being said, when you hook up your noise filter, your mileage may vary. Well, that's all there is for this video. I thank you for watching, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.